Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best baby shower boy decor is probably one of the most exciting and memorable aspects of planning a baby shower, setting the perfect tone for celebrating the upcoming arrival of a little prince and creating a joyous atmosphere for the parents-to-be and their guests, ensuring every detail contributes to a magical and unforgettable experience that reflects the love and anticipation surrounding this special occasion. Number 5. Bubzi Baby Hand and Footprint Kit. Easily capture your baby's tiny handprints and footprints at home. This complete DIY kit lets you preserve their earliest moments without any mess or fuss. The soft, non-toxic clay air dries to create clear impressions. You won't need any baking or special tools, just simple, clean fun. Our refined formula spreads evenly and dries gradually to prevent cracking. This ensures a beautiful, clean display for your nursery or memory space. Made with non-toxic, safety-tested ingredients, it's gentle on delicate skin. You can create these cherished keepsakes with complete confidence from day one. Set up in minutes with clear instructions, perfect for newborns. It's an ideal gift for baby showers or new parents wanting to create meaningful memories. Join over 1 million families who trust our brand for creating lasting keepsakes. We offer 24/7 customer support to ensure your memories are treasured for years. What we like? This keepsake kit is perfect for preserving those tiny hands and feet. Its non-toxic, air-dry clay ensures a mess-free experience without baking. If you're looking for a simple yet deeply personal way to capture your baby's first moments, this is an excellent choice for creating lasting memories. What people say. The quality of the frame is solid, and the clay sets nicely without being messy. It's put together so well that it gives off custom vibes. The kit is super easy to use, and the final result looks adorable on display, a beautiful way to capture those tiny hands and feet forever. Number 4. Elephant Baby Shower Decorations for Boy Set. Celebrate your new arrival with our complete elephant-themed baby shower decorations. This premium set has everything you need to make your baby boy's celebration unforgettable. With an impressive 697 pieces, this collection includes banners, balloons, games, and more. You'll have a stunning and cohesive look for your special day. Setting up is a breeze with our pre-strung garland and easy-to-assemble decorations. Transform your space into a whimsical wonderland in no time. Scatter the "It's a Boy" and elephant confetti to add an extra touch of charm and joy. These delightful accents will make your decorations truly shine. We believe in offering high-quality decorations without breaking the bank. Get the best value for a beautiful and memorable celebration. This versatile set is ideal for baby boy showers, maternity shoots, or any event needing charming blue-gray accents. Enjoy sustainable options for multiple uses. What we like? This is the ultimate all-in-one decoration package for an elephant-themed baby boy shower. With nearly 700 pieces, it covers everything from balloons and banners to games and favors, making decorating a breeze. If you want a comprehensive and cohesive look without the hassle of sourcing individual items, this set is ideal for creating a memorable celebration. What people say. Good value pack of decorations. Easy instructions. Got everything today, fast and easy, and all looks easy to assemble and super cute. This package came with everything and then some to throw a beautiful baby shower for my grandson. Number 3. Baby Shower Decorations for Boy, Jumbo 165 PCS Set. Get ready for a stunning and vibrant baby shower with our complete 165-piece set. This bundle has everything you need, from decor boxes and tablecloths to a remarkable balloon arch. Setting up is a breeze, no matter where you're hosting. Our package includes all the tools and instructions for a quick and convenient setup, and the banners come pre-strung. Prepare for an unforgettable event with this stunning, photogenic color-themed party. It's guaranteed to help you and your guests capture beautiful photos from this special day. Celebrate the day you deserve without breaking the bank. We created this affordable and elegant bundle with your budget in mind, making it easy to host a beautiful celebration. You can rest assured that you're getting premium quality. With our bundle, you don't have to worry about deflating balloons or mismatched pieces, so you can enjoy your special day. What we like? This inclusive set provides everything you need for a stunning and photogenic baby boy shower. It includes decor boxes, a balloon arch, and more, all designed for effortless setup and maximum visual impact. If you're aiming for a stylish and elegant party that will look amazing in photos without breaking the bank, this bundle is a fantastic option. What people say. The quality of everything in this kit was amazing. Out of the over 100 balloons, only one popped while we were decorating. It is also a very complete kit, nothing else was needed for decoration because this came with it all. The variety in balloon size and the color was also a plus. These looked absolutely beautiful when it was all set up. The color combination is beautiful and the quality was excellent. Number 2. Blue Panda Baby Boy Shower Napkins. Elevate your celebration with our exquisite baby boy shower decorations. These napkins feature a sophisticated gold script on a light blue background, perfect for adding elegance to any event. Experience the quality of our 2-ply napkins, designed for maximum absorbency and softness. They efficiently handle spills, making them essential for busy gatherings. Measuring 5 by 5 inches when folded, these are ideal for placement on dessert tables or as part of your baby boy shower decoration. They expand to 10 by 10 inches, offering ample space. This set of 100 high-quality napkins ensures you have plenty for any baby shower. Their bulk set design makes them a practical choice for large gatherings. These napkins are perfect for a range of occasions, including baby shower decorations for boys. Their elegant design adds charm to your event. What we like. Elevate your baby boy shower with these charming and sophisticated napkins. Featuring a welcome little one design with gold script on a light blue background, they add a touch of elegance to any table setting. If you're looking for high-quality, absorbent napkins that perfectly complement your blue and gold theme and are practical for guest use, this generous pack is a great choice. What people say. The pink is a nice soft baby pink, and the white is bright and saturated. The size is similar to the usual cocktail napkin. They were adorable and durable. A perfect addition to the baby shower decor. These napkins are a little bit on the small size but worked well. Number 1. It's a boy baby shower decoration set. Welcome your baby boy with this charming blue and gray decoration set. It's the perfect choice to make your baby shower party unforgettable. Easily hang these decorations from the ceiling, above tables, or even from tree branches. Create a magical backdrop for your special celebration. Crafted from high-quality, eco-friendly wood pulp and durable latex balloons, these decorations are non-toxic and built to last. They can even be reused for future events. The honeycomb balls and tissue flowers arrive flat and include strings or tape for simple assembly and hanging. Unfold them to create beautiful fans or spheres. This set includes banners, paper fans, tissue pom-poms, honeycomb balls, balloons, and foil tassels. Everything you need for a complete and festive look. Transform your party space into a dreamy wonderland. These decorations are designed to create a beautiful and joyous atmosphere for everyone to enjoy. What we like. This decoration set offers a delightful blue and gray theme to welcome your baby boy. It includes a variety of elements like banners, paper fans, balloons, and more, perfect for creating a festive atmosphere. If you prefer a coordinated color scheme and appreciate reusable, high-quality decorations that can be hung in multiple ways to create a dreamy party backdrop, this set is a wonderful selection. What people say. The honeycomb balls and bells, as well as the "It's a boy" sign were as expected. Following assembly, the decorations were pretty much as pictured. I like that they cover the allotted space that I need to cover and they were easy to put together. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.